Okay, I paired up with Mark Kirschbaum, fellow rider. Found me through some forums, and we're going to both do this ride. But yeah, we're leaving Nephi, Utah. We're going to head a little less than 2 hours over to Price, Utah, and we're going to pick up a paper map, which is always a good idea for some of the back roads. I'm glad that I found somebody to ride with on the Utah BDR, the back road discovery route. Much safer and smarter. That's nice. And so yeah, we'll be back. This should be really, really fun. All right, later. Yeah, that's some cool ass wind turbines. On our way to Price, Utah. All right, here we are up at Soldier Summit. I don't know exactly how high we are, but pretty high because my old carbureted KLR didn't like it going up that hill. Yeah, it's pretty cool up here though. Nice little plateau. Okay. See you later. Very cool canyon road. Still on the way to Price, Utah, about 15 miles out of Price. Seems like we're coming down. I don't know, I wonder what elevation we were. It had to be well over 6. Alright. Get you later. Coal mining. Pretty damn cool. I love this stuff. Man, this ain't even nothing. This ain't nothing yet. But this is cool. Six miles to Price.